In video 115, we discussed digital pipelines in general. In this video, we will review running digital pipelines within the Syndeia web browser. When you log into Syndeia Cloud, you will see the Pipelines icon, new in Syndeia 3.7, in the left menu bar. Select it, and a table of existing digital pipelines appears with name, key, description, and schedule. A pipeline may be executed using the manual trigger icon in the rightmost column. If these are inactive, the user has not been assigned Global Pipeline Run privilege by the Syndeia administrator. As we discussed in the previous video, these pipelines have been created with the open source Apache Airflow platform, and name, key, description, and schedule are only editable within Airflow, not Syndeia. When your instance of Syndeia Cloud was configured by the Syndeia administrator, its Airflow service was pointed towards your organization's Airflow digital pipeline repository. And these are the available pipelines. This table can be filtered in several ways. Status is based on the success or failure of the latest pipeline run. You can also filter by tags, which are also set by the pipeline author, text in pipeline name, and schedule. Like other Syndeia tables, the three-dot menu icon in each column offers additional options. Digital pipelines can be executed by any user who has been assigned Global Pipeline Run privileges by the administrator. These are not organized by project or restricted by user. Typically, the Syndeia Digital Thread project, the repositories to be queried or updated, and the user credentials are hard-coded into the pipeline by the Airflow pipeline author and cannot be accessed or edited by the Syndeia user. When the user clicks on a specific pipeline name, for example, JAMA to JIRA, two new windows become available. Table shows a report on the outcome of recent runs. Graph displays the pipeline graphically, including the tasks and their logical ordering. This pipeline identifies a set of requirements in JAMA, creates a corresponding set of tasks in JIRA, and creates reference relations between them. If we trigger the pipeline using the arrow icon on the upper right, we can follow the run in progress, with the task or tasks currently in progress in yellow, successfully completed tasks in green, and unsuccessful tasks, if any, in red. How often the display is updated is determined by the Runs Setting icon in the upper right corner. From the table view, we can see a table of previous runs, summary metrics of those runs, and a chart of task durations. We can adjust the number of runs displayed using the pull-down menu in the upper right corner. The top part of the table shows the duration of that run, green if successful, and red if failure. The column below it shows the individual tasks within that run, again green successful, red failure, gray uncompleted. If I hover over them, the specific details are shown for the run or task. If I click on them, the same info is shown on the right. Similarly, if I click on a task name on the left, the task duration for each run is shown. We can see clearly that Get JAMA Requirement by ID task took over 30 seconds before reporting failure on the November 26th run. The chart below shows task durations for all tasks and all runs. If we hover over that chart, a legend appears with the color key by task and the time for that task for the highlighted run. Except for the failed run, the longest task was the creation of reference relations, followed by the creation of JIRA tasks from the JAMA requirements. We can trigger a run manually from the table view, as we did in the graph view, and follow the progress in the runs table. When a pipeline's objectives include creating a report, the report is not displayed in Syndeia. A common approach is to create the report in Confluence as one of the final tasks, as in this pipeline that publishes a table of SysML v2 artifacts. It also includes sending a Slack notification to a preset list of users, who can then access the report directly in Confluence. To learn more about Syndeia digital pipelines, consult the Syndeia 3.7 User Guide section on the Syndeia web dashboard, documentation for the Apache Airflow digital pipeline platform, and sample code in the digital pipeline examples provided as part of your Syndeia 3.7 installation.